We are hearing from the parents of a girl who are suing a Texas summer camp after their daughter's death and pushing for change. Jennifer and Douglas Getton are the parents of 9-year-old Ellen, who was at Camp Mystic when the Guadalupe River flooded on July 4th. They're among several families who have filed lawsuits against Camp Mystic and its owners, accusing them of ignoring flood risks and prior warnings. Ellen had a sister who was at Camp Mystic too and survived. Their parents say they never would have sent their girls to Camp Mystic if they had known the risks. Now they don't want the camp to reopen until more safety precautions are taken.
Occurring, what we don't want to have is anyone else send their kid to a camp and 5 days later learn that their child is lost. 2 days later be told you're being DNA swabbed, which means that you've really lost your daughter. Wait a week to find the body. And we were supposed to pick our daughter up from camp, both daughters, on July 26th. Instead, we had a funeral on July 16th. We don't want that to happen to anyone else ever. It's unacceptable.
Well, in a statement, a legal representative for Camp Mystic said they empathize with the families. They also said they disagree with several accusations in the lawsuits and that they intend to prove that the flooding was unexpected and that there was not an adequate warning system in the area.